Hello students, welcome back. And the next exercise is 1.5 and the question is the number of people who visited during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days was recorded as 15,290, 14,181, 14,235 and 10,578. Find total number of people visited in these 4 days. For this we have to write the answer. So for the solution, here I have written day 1, but you have to write the number of people who visited during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first day is, and you have to write this number. And in the same way you have to write for the day 2 also the number of people who visited during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the second day is, and you have to write this number. Similarly for the day 4 and day 5 as well. And after that you have to write this. In the day 1, how many people were visited? 15,290. And the day 2, this many people. And day 3 and day 4, you have to, they are asking you to find the total number of people. How can you find the total number? You have to add all these things. If you add only, you will find the total number of people in these 4 days. Okay, and if you add this, you will get this answer. That's it. Total number of people who visited uh, during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi is, and you have to write this answer. Okay, and the next question is, in Lok Sabha election the elected candidate got 5 lakhs 87,500 votes and defeated candidate got 3 lakhs 52,768. By how many votes did the winner win the election? Here elected candidate won 5,87,500 and the defeated candidate, that means who lost the election, got 3,52,768. Here they are asking us how many votes, by how many votes, what is the difference between these two numbers. Okay, winner, here you have to write accordingly. In the Lok Sabha the elected candidate got, you have to write this number. The defeated candidates votes are, you have to write this number. And after that you have to continue this. Winner got how many? 5,87,800 and the defeated got how many? 3,52,768. So you have to, what you have to find? You have to find the difference. That means if you subtract it from the more biggest number, the smallest number, you get how many votes did the winner win the election. By how many votes did the winner win the election? If you have to know this answer, you have to subtract from the big number the small number, then you will get the answer. Here subtraction, here 0 is there, then we have to borrow, and 10 minus 8 is 2, and here since we have borrowed, here 9 minus 6 is 3, and here since we have borrowed from this number, here 14 minus 7 is 7, and here we have borrowed from the here also because this is 5. This 5 number uh, we can't remove 4 minus 7, right? That's why we have borrowed here, and this will become 6. If we borrow, how much it will become? It will become 6. 6 minus 2 is 4, and 8 minus 5 is 3, and 5 minus 3 is 2. This is the number. So you have to write clearly here that winner won the election with 2,34,732 votes. That's it. Well, and the next bit is, write the greatest and smallest 5-digit number formed by the digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7 and find their difference. The greatest 5-digit number is 75,430. How I have written this is, the greatest number among all these numbers were, digits were, was 7. So, and the next greatest number is 5, and then 4, and then 3, and then 0. So we have to write this in the descending order to find the greatest 5-digit number. And the smallest 5-digit number is 30457. Why I have written like this is, for this I didn't write in a descending order, because I have written 3 before and 0 after, because if I write 0 before, then it becomes a 4-digit number, which is not given in the question. So the smallest 5-digit number formed by these digits will be 30457. And next, in the question they have given to find the difference. So the difference between greatest and smallest 5-digit number is this number minus this number. Then we'll get this answer. Next bit is, a bicycle industry makes 3,125 bicycles each day. Find the total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. They have given the bicycles manufactured for each day, and we have to find it for the month of July. And in the July month, we have 31 days. And the number of bicycles manufactured for each day is 3,125. In order for us to find the bicycles for 31 days, we have to multiply the bicycles, the number of days, into the number of bicycles which were manufactured for each day. Then we will be getting the answer. So here is the calculation. The total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July is 96,875 bicycles. Next bit in exercise 1.5 is, a helicopter covers 600 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 4 hours? Express your answer in meters. Okay, distance covered in 1 hour, which is given in the question, is 600 kilometers, and the time taken is 1 hour. And as we all know, the formula for the speed is distance by time. So 600 kilometers by 1 hour, that means 600 kilometers per hour. Distance covered in 4 hours. How can we calculate this? Means distance is equals to speed into time. For this reason, we have calculated the speed here. So 600 kilometers per hour into 4 hours is equals to 2400 kilometers. If we calculate this, 6 4s are 2400 kilometers. This hours will get cancelled. Distance in meters. Here we got the answer in kilometers, but in the question they were asking in meters. So distance in meters is 24 kilometers into 1000. That means we can convert it into meters by multiplying it with 1000. It is, the total weight of a box of 5 biscuit packets of same size is 8 kg 400 grams. What is the weight of each packet? Number of biscuit packets which were given on the question was 5. So the weight of 5 biscuit packets is 8 kg 400 grams. We have to convert it into grams. Then how do we convert is, the weight of 5 biscuit packets in grams is 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. That means 8 kgs is equals to 8000 grams. And they have given 8 kg 400 grams. That means 8000 plus 400 is 8400 grams. And in order for us to calculate the weight of each packet, then we have to divide. If we have to calculate for more packets, like, then we have to multiply. For here they are asking for the weight of each packet. So 8400 by 5. Here I have given the calculation. In the grams it is 1680 grams, and in the in the answer, if we want to calculate for kgs, for kilograms, then 1.68 kilograms. In the question they didn't ask us the measurements, so we can go with either of the methods. Bit in the exercise 1.5 is, the distance between the school and the bus stop is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day, Gayatri walks both the ways to attend the school. Find the total distance she walked in 6 days. The distance between the school and the bus stop is 1 kilometer 875 meters, which is given in the question. 1 kg I'm sorry, this is not 1 kg, it is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. This is the formula. 1000 meters plus 875 meters, which is 1875 meters. Distance for both the ways is 1875 into 2, that is 3750 meters. Distance for one day is 3750 meters. Distance for 6 days is 6 into 3750 meters is 22,500 meters. If we want to calculate the distance in kilometers, then we have to divide it by 1000. That is 22.5 kilometers. That means Gayatri walked a total distance of 22.5 kilometers in 6 days. This is the answer. In exercise 1.5 is 9th bit, that is the cost of petrol is 60 rupees per liter. A petrol bunk sells 750 liters of petrol on a day. How much money do they get at the end of the day? So we have to calculate this. For this, first we have to write down what is given in the question. The cost of petrol per liter is 60 rupees, which is given in the question. Number of liters the petrol bunk sells is 750 liters, which is given in the question. So total money earned will be calculated by multiplying these two things. Cost per liter into liters sold, that is 60 into 750, which gives 45,000. 45,000 rupees they are gaining on a day for selling petrol. Next bit in the exercise 1.5 is the cloth required to make a shirt of school uniform for each boy is 1 meter 80 centimeters. How many shirts can tailor stitch using 40 meters of cloth? How much cloth will be left? First, we have to write down what is given in the question. That is, the cloth required to make a shirt of school uniform for each boy is 1 meter 80 centimeters, which is given in the question. So, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. This is the formula that we have. That means 1 meter is equals to 8 plus 80 centimeters. 100 centimeters, 1 meter means 100 centimeters plus 80 centimeters is equals to 180 centimeters. We are converting everything into centimeters and then calculating the total cloth. So, and 40 meters means, and 40 meters cloth can be calculated into centimeters by multiplying 40 into 100, which gives 400 centimeters. Number of shirts which tailor can stitch is 4000 by 180. So if we cancel this, we'll get the 400 by 18. That means if there are only zeros on the last, then only we can cancel. If there is in the middle, we couldn't cancel. So 18 divided by 400. 18 twos are 36. Left over will be 4. We are bringing down this 0. So again 18 twos are 36. If we remove 40 minus 36, we'll get 4. So we are putting a point here and putting 0 here. So again 18 twos are 36. Again we are getting the same answer. So it is going on repeating. So we can do up to 2 decimal points. So approximately it is 22 shirts. Total cloth is used is 22 into 180. So 3960 centimeters. 3960 centimeters of cloth is being used for the 40 meters cloth. So now we have to calculate the cloth left. That is total cloth available minus total cloth used. We actually have the 4000 centimeters cloth, but we have only used 3960 centimeters of cloth for 22 shirts. So if we subtract this, we'll get 40 centimeters. Total cloth left will be 40 centimeters after stitching 22 shirts. Thank you.